Welcome, students. Students, have you ever been to a rainforest habitat? No? Okay, let us go together and explore this habitat. This habitat is rich in variety of animals and plant life. This habitat also receives a lot of rain throughout the year. And do you know where it is located? Rainforest habitats are found in all continents of world except polar region. Let us learn to know the name of animals living in a rainforest habitat. Let's go first with jaguar, cheetah, tiger, parrot macaw, hummingbird, gorilla, monkey, elephant, snake, morpho butterfly, sloth. Rainforests are lush, warm, and moist habitats. About 6% of the Earth's land is covered with this habitat. This habitat is highly populated with plants and animals life. Thank you for watching.